ERD repairs servo drives like this one made by Okuma, as well as all other industrial electronics. We offer a same-day quote on all of our repairs. This Okuma BDU-50A servo drive is an axis drive used in the LB-15 CNC unit in addition to the tooling and CNC machinery units. The servo drive is going through our motor phase test to ensure proper operation after the repair. At ERD, we can repair your industrial electronic equipment, preventing a costly replacement and extended downtime. Thanks for watching ERD TV. We repair a wide variety of industrial electronic equipment that is backed by our 3-year warranty. If you have any questions, please contact us by phone or visit us on the web at www.industrialrepairstore.com.